Good morning children, welcome to my class. So today in English language class we are going to do lesson 12 simple past tense. Okay, so simple past tense tells us about an action that has already taken place in the past. You know, I have already explained you what is simple past tense. Okay, any action that has already taken place, already the action which you have completed in the past. Okay, so you have completed or anyone has completed, but that action is already over. Alright, so today we are going to do exercise B. This is fill in the blanks using the simple past tense forms of the verbs given in the brackets. Okay, you see here all here the verbs are given in the base form. Okay, that is V1. The base form is V1. It is given. We have to change it into past tense, simple past tense we have to change. Okay, fill in the blanks using the simple past tense forms of the verbs given in the brackets. Number 1, you see, last year I dash to Yanam. The base verb is travel. I am explaining you each sentence. You have to understand. Here you have to understand, my dear. Okay, you see here last year, comma I, you say here the verb that is given is travel. Alright, the verb which is given is travel to Yanam. This is the base form. So last year I travelled. Okay, last year I travelled. Travelled. Last year I travelled to Yanam. Okay, when you are changing it into past tense, you are going to add ed here. Alright, travel plus ed, travelled. Alright, number 2, Sheena dash French for 3 years. Dash, here the verb is given study French for 3 years. French for 3 years. So Sheena studied. Studied. When you are changing, Y will be changed into IED in the past form. Okay, studied, studied. Sheena studied French for 3 years. Okay, we are changing these sentences into simple past tense. We dash a fantastic book last week. We dash read. The pronunciation will change. The spelling will not change. Read will become read. We read a fantastic book last week. We read a fantastic book last week. We read a fantastic book last week. Alright. Next one. I dash a friend in Mumbai yesterday. I dash, the verb is given here, visit. Okay. I visited a friend in Mumbai yesterday. I visited a friend in Mumbai yesterday. I visited a friend in Mumbai yesterday. You see here visit plus ed will be visited. The past tense of visit will be visited. I visited a friend in Mumbai yesterday. And words like yesterday shows that the sentence is in the past tense. Okay? Okay. So let us repeat once again. Last year I travelled to Yanam. Sheena studied French for 3 years. We read a fantastic book last week. I visited a friend in Mumbai yesterday. Okay. Number 5, you see. We dash for the doctor for 1 hour. We, the verb given here is wait for the doctor for 1 hour. Please see the verb here. The verb given is here, it is given wait. So the past tense of wait will be waited. We waited. We waited for the doctor for 1 hour. Number 6, you see. They dash with their grandparents in Pune. They stay. The verb given here is stay with their grandparents in Pune. With their grandparents in Pune. They stayed. So here it will be they stayed. The past tense of stay is stayed. They stayed with their grandparents in Pune. Number 5, we waited for the doctor for 1 hour. Number 6, they stayed with their grandparents in Pune. So we have done exercise A and exercise B of this lesson till now. Okay. You also have to do it in the same way you have to do it in your copies. Okay, children. So we shall continue the next exercise in our next classes. Thank you.